Mom?
Oh, hey, honey, what's up?
Well,
What is it, Emma?
well, I was in primary the other day, and I heard some of the older girls talking about when they're turning 12, and it's not that I don't believe in the church anymore. I still think it's true and everything. It's just, well, I don't want to be a beehive.
Wait, what do you mean?
I want to stay human. I want to be a beehive.
Emma, you know that...
I mean, I'm afraid of bees. I'm allergic to them, remember?
Honey.
I don't even like honey.
Honey. I mean, Emma, it's okay. You're gonna be...
I mean, I know that bees are good and that they represent hard work or whatever, but I'm so scared.
Emma, you know that you don't actually turn into a beehive when you turn 12, right?
I don't?
No, that would be... You don't.
Then do I just turn into a bee? Because that still scares me, but as long as I'm a living thing, I guess.
No, you just stay you. Regular human you, I promise.
So, I'm not going to turn into a plant when I become a laurel?
No.
Okay. I gotta go call my friend and tell her I can go to Girl Scouts with her because I'm not going to turn into a brownie.
Oh, wait. That one's real. They will bake you at 350 degrees.